Hey guys, today we're back with another Pokemon unboxing. We have today this little tin, and we have another one, and we also have a big one, so we'll be unboxing those soon. This is Nolan's. He got Perfect Order, and I am gonna get Chaos Rising, my favorite. Okay, we're gonna open them up. Okay, so we have to throw away this card.
Okay.
No. What are you doing? Put it down. Do it. Throw away that card and then put the last card in the front. Wait, show them. Okay.
Got the water. You guys already saw this guy. I can see. I'm getting.
Wait, are you in your last card?
Yes. Wait, no. This is my last card.
Oh wait, I have a couple more. Wait, 3, 2, 1. Nothing good.
Wait, this is not my last card.
Oh, that is really cool. Okay,
What was the last? What is this?
We got that thing. I don't know what it is, but you know, it's cool.
What is this?
Okay, bye guys.
Bye, guys.